In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic equations by taking the square root. Think of our quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. The equations we're going to work on today just have the ax squared part. So we've got like the 3x squared here, 25x squared here. And if we have just that ax squared, we can solve these quadratic equations by taking the square root. So here's how we're going to do this for number one. So I want to isolate that x squared first. So I'm multiplying x squared by 3, so we can divide both sides by 3 and 3. So the 3's cancel out on the left. I'll get x squared equals 5. Now let's undo squaring x. So I'm going to take the square root and square root. Square root and square cancel out, so I'll get x equals my square root of 5 is going to be positive and negative square root of 5. So I'm going to keep the exact answer as positive negative square root of 5 for number one. Number two, let's divide by 25 and 25 on both sides. 25's cancel out on the left, so we'll get x squared equals 16 over 25. Now we'll take the square root of the entire left side and right side. So the square and square root cancel out on the left side. On the right side, we could break up the square root, take the square root of the numerator over the square root of the denominator. We know the square root of 16 is going to be 4, square root of 25 is going to be 5, and our answer is going to be positive and negative. So for number two, our answer is positive and negative 4 over 5. Number three, we're dividing x squared by 6, so let's undo that division and multiply. Multiply both sides by 6. Division and multiplication cancel out on the left. We get x squared equals 144. We'll undo squaring, take the square root of both sides, and we get x equals square root of 144 is positive and negative 12. Number four, we're squaring x minus 2 on the left, so I want to undo that squaring first. So let's take the square root and square root of both sides. So my square and square root are going to cancel out on the left, so I'm going to have x minus 2 equals square root of 49 is going to be positive and negative 7. Now we can isolate that x, so I'm going to add 2 and add 2. So we're going to get x equals 2 plus or minus 7. So our values of x are going to be 2 plus 7, which is 9, and 2 minus 7, which is negative 5. So our answers here are going to be 9 and negative 5. All right, let's do one more example. Number 5, we're squaring the entire left side, 2x minus 3 squared. So let's undo that squaring, take the square root and square root of the entire left and right side. The square and square root are going to cancel out on the left, so we're going to have 2x minus 3 equals the square root of 80. Well, we know how to take the exact square root of 80. If you want to review that, there's a link for that. It's going to come up right now as well as at the end of this video. So 80 can factor into square root of 16 times square root of 5. Square root of 16 is positive and negative 4 times square root of 5. So this is going to be positive negative 4 square root of 5. Equals 2x minus 3. So we want to get that x by itself. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So I get 2x equals 3 plus or minus 4 square root of 5. Let's divide by 2, divide by 2. 2's cancel out on the left. So my answer for x is going to be 3 plus or minus 4 square root of 5 all over 2. So this is my answer for number 5. This video is on solving quadratic equations by taking the square root. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to check out the link for the video that's coming up right now on how to find the exact square root. This is Nick from First Coast Math Clinic.